guess who we have on the red carpet? I told you we're bringing it to you fresh and hot. This is our daddy that is still, he's having the Gen Z spirit today. He's in the Gen Z spirit. Good evening, sir.
Big up yourself. This year, greetings to everyone. So glad to be here. This is Blackie, the black man.
The black.
Fireborn Seta.
Please.
Overstand. Number one. No competition.
Number one, no.
Competition.
Do you remember? Does it ring a bell?
Can I have a dance? Rosie, my friends are watching me. Rosie. Yeah, big up, lad. It's a pleasure to be here, Choma.
Yeah, it's so good. And we're enjoying your vibes. Like, imagine me here. Please, are you performing?
No, unfortunately, I'm just a guest, but Jah willing, who knows what will happen next year?
I love that Jawellen.
Yeah, you know.
Jawellen.
Who knows what's going to happen next year?
This is to tell you that if you miss this year's zone, keep your tickets, keep your money. Don't say they did not tell you.
Yes, you shouldn't wait because this is big and I'm looking forward to. I'm a guest here, but Jah knows that next year. Let me not say anything more, but nobody knows whether something I probably will be performing here next year. Yeah. Who knows?
Okay, so what are you looking forward to next year? Like, what are you looking forward to going in now for the show?
Okay. Well, I'm looking forward to lovely comedy. Benga Denka, you know we're great at Kokais. We're Unilag together. We shared some courses together. Can you imagine? So,
and this time around.
Yes, and that's where we said, nurturing our career, and he went into comedy, and I was performing as an upcoming artist then in Unilag. So I'm just hoping it's just a nice thing to see years after that. Yeah. Big things are still going on.
And you people are here now together.
Yeah, alive and well, and being able to still reach out to the fans, those who have followed me from the 90s, to the new fans that are coming along to join me now. And at the same time, we're just praying that, the show goes well. I can see the whole place is packed full, and I know it's going to be fun.
Wow. It's going to be fun. Thank you, Daddy.
Yes, because my name is Blackie. Because I'm the black man. Blessed.
Blessed. To have fun, sir. Thank you so much. And that is the black man with us here. Just stay tuned because it's not over yet. We're still on the red carpet. And it's your girl, Choma Soko here, signing out at this point, but I'm coming back soon. And we are still here at Live Matters 2023. And it is with our one and only Yomi. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, how are you?
Mr. Yomi, how you doing?
I did you?
You're fine. You're looking so young.
Now, water therapy.
Which water therapy? Please share the secret with Nigerians.
Water therapy. Take a lot of water. It's very important. Yes.
Wow. I don't want to start saying something I'm supposed to say because you're like a father to me.
Father, calm down, Choma. Calm down. Be calming down, Choma. Which father?
How do you feel being here today? This is 2023.
This is my friend. My friend, my bosom friend. So we've been a long time together. So if I'm not here for him, I don't fuck up with that. Sorry to use that word. I don't mess up with that. You understand?
So what are you looking forward to in the hub? Because it started already. The program has started.
I love my ties. We're going to Friends tour. Southwest has been for 13 years now running. That's from 2010, if I'm not mistaken. So you can only get the best. So tonight here, because you're not here, because I don't think you can meet up now. You're not here, you missed. But you can catch up with us on our platforms, on YouTube, on YouTube, Instagram, and all those other handles. So
how can we catch up with you? Because you've been quite a low lately.
I'm an actor. I'm not a celebrity.
No.
Yes. Anybody can be a celebrity. But not anybody can be an actor, so I'm an actor, not a celebrity. So you don't see actors everywhere like that. You can only see celebrities everywhere. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Yobi. Thank you for actually clarifying this.
It's better that we clarify everything.
So. Good. Yeah, thank you so much. I do have a blessed day. Yeah, thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. And that was Mr. Yobi on the red carpet. It's been an interesting one here. Just stay tuned, don't go anywhere because Love Matters continues shortly. I am Choma Soko here. It's the Love Matters 2023 here at the Balmoral Hall VI. And I have with me our one and only rugged Baba. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Choma, right?
Yes, my name is Choma.
Nice to meet you. What's good?
I'm good. I know the Davido's Choma. This Choma is single.
And I am unlike Davido. I am available. You must still see me.
Okay, good evening. So you're looking good.
Thank you. We thank God. It's life.
So what should we expect from you tonight?
Me? Yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys down memory lane. I wish I could do some of the. I have some new songs coming out. I have a new album coming out, but next year. I wish I could take you guys, show you guys some of the new stuff. But nah, I'll wait till later. But tonight, I'm gonna take you guys down memory lane. We're going to Barja, and we're gonna show them where we belong with Ruggedy Baba and a couple of other songs.
Where do I belong, Rogadi Baba?
Well, right now you're on my right. If you want to stay there, let's continue. If not, I'm going.
Okay, thank you so much, Rogadi Baba. So, what is so exceptional about this year's Laugh Matters that you're going to be performing?
Well, Benga Dinka doesn't have to do anything exceptional for me to perform. I support my boss anytime, any day. He's not just a boss, he's a brother, he's a friend. And then I see this fine car here. I'm trying to find out what do I need to do to win this car. I like that car. Nothing beats a brand new car. Sorry, I forgot for a second that I'm supposed to be speaking English.
Okay, that's fine. It's allowed. It's my red carpet. So,
yes, sir.
thank you so much.
Thank you very much for having me. I need to rush in now.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you so much, Rogadi Baba. And that was Rogadi Baba with us here on the red carpet. It's still Laugh Matters 2023. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Thank you.